Hello everybody. So you'll notice that Sadie has a special wardrobe item on, and it didn't exactly work as planned. So this was an idea someone had given us about putting a big old t-shirt on Sadie so that she wouldn't be able to nurse and she could just hang out and play with the puppies. And the good news is she doesn't seem to mind it. The bad news is some of the critical equipment hangs out the back, and those tenacious little puppers are still more than able to get to the goods, to the milk bar. So Mr. HDL suggested what?
We'll reverse it. Feet through, back legs through the t-shirt armholes.
So what he said was, because I know you can't hear him, especially because there's a jet flying overhead right now, but he suggested putting her front legs through the armholes and then, oh wait, back legs through the armholes.
That's what you've done, the front legs.
Right. And then somehow tie it up top. So we'll try again, won't we, Iris? Yeah. Hi, Leda. Hi, baby. Oh my goodness. And Iris is just laughing at her mommy right now, I think. And then we've got Molly overseeing the puppies eating their lunch.
She has a vested interest in this.
She does. And she is exercising the most amazing display of self-control. Nope. Good girl. Molly, sit. Molly, sit. Oh, you're gonna embarrass me on camera, is that it? Well, at least you're not eating the food. Here, let's try this. Sit.
Molly, are you going to pretend to clean them like a nice great granny?
That's what she was doing, pretending to clean them. Good girl. Good girl. And what do you have to whine about, Miss Aphrodite? Hi, pretty. Hi, pretty.
Sadie.
Oh wait, that's not Aphrodite, it's Zeusy boy. Oh my goodness. Those two really are like twins, male and female versions of the same pup. So who do we have over at the food here? It was Athena and Hera. And what I say, there's Aphrodite whining because she is the exact same puppy as Zeus, only the female version. Hi, baby. And there's the sweet Leda, who is trying to make herself invisible in the grass. And then Iris is exploring. Look at her way back there, confidently walking around. It's going to be so fun to do temperament testing on these guys. And oh my goodness, just another week and a half. It won't be long. I know everybody's looking forward to those. But I'm missing the real show back here. Mr. HDL being a wardrober.
Oh, yes.
And Sadie is pretty much laughing at him, I can tell.
That's going to stay on.
We may have to rig up something with belts and attachments to her collar and give it another try.
Levers, pulleys,
Tackle? Like fishing tackle? Oh, Hera was attacking the GoPro tripod, which we had to abandon.
Weaning device Mark II.
Oh, wow.
Good news, eh?
What do you think? Well, at least it covers up the big ones in the back.
Quite avant-garde, I think.
Yeah, I mean, she's still smiling, so you gotta hand it to her. Hi, Hera.
Yeah, we need to probably nod it again so she can get a front leg in there.
Hi, Zeusy. Oh, do you just want to snooze? Do you just want to snooze? Yeah. Such a cute boy. Hello, Aphrodite.
Oh, it's warm now, isn't it? It's really got out.
It is, yeah, it's much nicer in the shade. They definitely want to be over here in the shade.
They seem to naturally understand that as well. As soon as they get out in the sun, they're like, oh, no, too much.
They do. I love how Molly just sort of oversees them.
She's edging closer.
So sweet and gentle. You're saying she has an agenda there to get to their food bowls?
Yeah, she's just edging closer and closer. Look at that tail. Molly. Molly, what are you doing? What are you doing, Molly? Are you after that food? And she's looking, look, no, don't you eat it. Don't you eat it all.
She has the most expressive eyebrows.
Oh, look, they're all after it now. See, this is the problem we have. If Sadie is around, then they're not going to eat. Because mum's milk is always best. Isn't that right, Sades?
Aphrodite.
There, would you like room service, young man? Molly, don't make me tell you again. Sit. Hey.
Oh look, that is what Zeus wanted. Just a little room service. Oh, maybe not. Like, eh. So I did try just some soaked kibble this time.
Yeah, maybe that's...
They're not loving it.
Molly.
But it also could be the outdoor environment and so many distractions.
Yeah. Look at this.
Molly! No.
Oi.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh.
That's enough.
So isn't that interesting? She wouldn't get into it when the puppies were right
Yeah,
there.
Molly.
No.
No.
Who's that smiling at us? Oh, it's Athena. On the right.
Sit, Moles. Moles, sit. Come on. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. So, no, I'm sorry, I'm old, I can't hear you. Molly. Good girl. Good, yeah, I know you can give me that look that pierces me. You can go in a minute, all right? Yeah, you can go in a minute, but just not yet. What about you guys? Come on. What's this? There we go. Would you like me to just hand it into your mouth? Would that be easier?
You're wearing some grass on your nose there.
Come on, Zeusy boy. Oh, somebody's flaked. Who could that be? Leda? Yeah, I couldn't see her collar. Oh, look at Iris snuggling in the grass next to Great Granny. And they're all spread to different. They're doing Papa Clock now on the grass, aren't they?
They are.
And frog leg commando crawl there.
Sadie. That's for the babies.
Oh, we've got some going now, look. Hera and... is it Iris? Yeah, I think it's Iris, isn't it?
Yep,
Oh, maybe not.
Iris.
Okay, well, we're going to do some more encouraging of these pups. Give them a little run around. And I think I'll have to let Molly go with it now. She's
Okay,
waited long
Sades.
enough.
Sadie too.
Yeah, Leda's definitely tapped out on that.
She is.
Go on, Athena, hurry up, because they'll be after you.
That's right.
Okay, folks, we will see you on the live stream. Bye-bye.
Bye.